The magic day 13. By now, you should be reaping the benefits and feeling softer and more open. Today, we're going to do future events. So we've done everything that we can possibly be grateful for. For example, if you walk past workmen who are putting a new traffic lights in, you can sprinkle magic dust and say thank you to the workmen because they're part of all the pipes and all the wires and all this. They're the end part of all that. So you can go off at tangent at any time of the day, which we've gone through it before. So, um, gratitude is something you must have before you receive it. Most people are grateful after receiving it. Well, that's good, but not as good as if you're grateful before you get it. So, what you have to do is immediately form an image in your mind that you've already got it. The trick is actually, this is a tip from the top. Lucy with Life by Lucy, she went to sleep imagining she was in a Spanish home and she got a Spanish right to work visa thing on a table. She did that over and over and she got a Spanish house and she got a visa to work there. And there you go. So when you're sleepy and you're in that semi state before you go to sleep, just drift off thinking, I've already got it, whatever you want. So you've got to think of 10 things, future things that you want, but you've got right now. I'm not doing this because I'm going to do my examples. So, but you've got to do what emotions did you feel when you received the desire? Oh, I've missed this bit out. Who was the first person you told when you got it? Oh, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Right. And you have to do it like this. So think of 10 things that you're grateful for. And you can write them in a line, but you've got to write it down. You've got to write 3 thank yous. So you've got to write thank you, thank you, thank you. And I put for peak fitness. Now I can explore the world and weave my magic. Then the world is my oyster. So let's do this. What emotions when I received my desire? Total energy, total freedom. And you've got to pick a person that you'd ring up when you did whatever you've done or you've got whatever you manifested. And then what is the first great thing you did? So you can do relationships. You can do thank you, thank you, thank you for the beautiful and amazing close relationships I have with blank. Here's a good one. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my YouTube channel and videos that keep bringing me vast quantities of money, of never-ending money that I get to keep and do good with it. That's from Brian Scott, by the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my thriving communities where I help people make money online. For example, making books and other things that I haven't thought of yet. Thriving communities. So I help people do these books and they make money online. And then people keep paying me unlimited sources of income for my expertise. Oh, that's great. See, I've gone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a good one. For my snorkeling and scuba diving trip, where I get to experience the total wow factor of all those beautiful fish under the water. And there's the sergeant major fish, there's a yellowtail fish, maybe there's a little baby turtle or a big turtle. And you swim with the turtles or a dolphin. Actually, you could put swimming with the dolphins as well. Oh, that's amazing. Or you could say, I found another one now. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my trip to Florida, where when you go to Key West, Mallory Square, see all the buskers and the sunset, and then go out for dinner. After a day of swimming with the dolphins or something. Now that is a perfect day, isn't it? Just think outside the box. What do you want to do? So if you went on holiday, you'd go with your favorite person anyway, or you'd ring your favorite person up when you got there, and you go, I'm here, and I've just swam with the dolphins, and you just do you get the drift? What are your things that you want to share with me? What are you? Thank you, thank you, thank you for what that hasn't happened yet. Have fun with this, guys. Don't forget to join my community below if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next video. And don't forget to write your 10 things you're grateful for. Do this, pick one of these and go to sleep. And it's already happened. And don't forget your gratitude box. What's the best thing that happened to me today? See you next time.